a tiny one. Then I make it hard to you, Dad.
Where are you going?
Let me sit here.
Behind us, yeah. Unless you're gonna play.
No, I'll behind you.
What is that, Jelana? Is that a small car? What color is that? I like that yellow green.
Oh yeah, they put it to us. Look, a purple.
Oh, a purple.
Wow.
You okay?
Where are you?
Are you okay?
Look.
Grandma can make a nipa hat, Jelana. Ask Grandma to do it.
Listen.
Make a nipa hat, mother, now 10,000 pesos.
Yeah, Mama.
40,000. Grabe naman ang ano na ngayon, no? Mahal naman na lahat sa Pilipinas din.
Wow.
10,000 to 200.
Oh my God.
Oo nga.
Dito
Oh my God. Oh my gosh.
Doon mahal.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Remember, you don't say that. You say, oh my word.
Oh no. Oh my God. I got it that one.
See?
Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Dad, look at Jelana.
Oh my God.
Hindi ka na magsulat ng pangalan mo. Lagay mo dito.
Yung Q. Yeah, where's your pen?
Wait. Put it in my bag.
Please. Please, Grandma.
Yung kamay mo.
Wait, I got one.
Tignan ko.
Jay, don't be baliktad.
Bakit? Huwag mo lagyan ng tuldok, ah.
Nada.
Ganito ni. Akin na yung kamay mo.
It's okay, it's okay. Jelana, focus. Focus. Look at Grandma.
I want to see it.
Well, look at Grandma.
Ganyan ay.
And
Jelana. Puro kapital naman ang pinag-aano mo eh.
it was an A. That's A.
Come on now.
Kapital naman ang gusto mo na A.
A.
Oh. Ganito ang paggawa mo ng ina yung small. Yung anak ni A. Ganyan yung anak niya.
Baby A.
Baby.
Wait.
Ito yung baby ni baby.
Okay, ma. Oh, yeah.
A. Ganun. A.
Tata.
A. Ganyan. O. A.
Oh, there's naughty. What's an A?
Akin ang kamay mo.
Okay. I'm going to try the A.
Okay, put your hand. Grandma can help your hands now.
Sige. A. Marami.
Amida.
Jelana, you're changing the topic. You're not focused.
I can't do this.
You need to focus.
I tell you what.
Na. Akin na.
No, I don't want to write my name.
Huwag ka na nga bumili ng regalo niya sa birthday. Write your name.